Alright guys, so today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes, Daikon nimono, which is daikon radish that has been simmered in a dashi seasoned stock. We need a 10-inch piece to begin with. We're going to peel it, and then we're going to cut it into 1-inch thick slices. So the next step is optional. What I'm going to use is a vegetable peeler to round out some of the edges that were formed when we initially peeled the daikon. You can also use a knife. You can also round out the corners, so not just the sides but the corners too. And that's just for aesthetics. It doesn't have any effect on flavor. If you just wanted to have that rounded cylindrical look, that's what you would need to do. Okay, so the next step is to soak the daikon in togijiru, which is a water solution that's made from rinsing rice. So I used 2 cups of rice and I rinsed it into a Pyrex container. And this helps to take out any of the bitter flavors and also softens the daikon. It also makes the daikon look nice and white as well. So before we soak it, we're going to score the daikon on both sides. We want to make a plus sign about 1/4 inch deep on both sides, and this helps to cook the daikon much quicker. Since there's more surface area, the hot water can get in those cracks and cook it. It's called jumonji in Japanese. That just means a cross. You can apply this technique to other vegetables like eggplant or Brussels sprouts, which are thick, and this would help cook them faster. So next we're going to bring this daikon togijiru mixture to a boil and then let it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until you can pierce it with a chopstick. Are you ready for the chopstick? There it is. Alright, so see it's going in there pretty nicely, so that means it's done. So we're going to go ahead and strain the daikon out, put them back into the pot that we were using, make sure that they're all standing upright. And then they'll be ready to be seasoned. So we're going to put the heat back on low, and then we're going to start with 3½ cups of dashi broth, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of mirin, and a tablespoon of usukuji shoyu, which is light soy sauce. After seasoning, you want to simmer this for about 30 minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve.